It's an exciting day here in Morehead, especially for Rajant Corporation, as we're having our ribbon cutting to celebrate Rajant in Morehead 2.0, and we're here with the CEO, Bob Schena. And Bob, it's been about a 6-year project, and it's nice to see it to come to fruition, isn't it?
It's been great. It has been 6 years. We came into town in 2016, and a little bit before that, actually, and we opened up a facility downtown in the old Napa building and began to hire folks, and it's been a great experience. Our affiliation with the university, the Space and Science Center, the mayor of Morehead, it's all been great. The people here have welcomed us from the second I got off the plane. It was a fellow by the name of Brent Traver that picked me up, and since I met Brett, literally everyone I've met since then has been great to deal with. Folks here hardworking, honest, and really pleasant. It's been a great 6-year run for us, and I expect it to continue.
We're here with Congressman Hal Rogers, and on a beautiful day and an exciting day for Rajant, and the guy that kind of got it all started for us, and that's the congressman for our 5th Congressional District, Hal Rogers. And Congressman, I know that you're proud anytime a project goes through, but this is one that, to bring a guy from Philly to Eastern Kentucky, I know you're very proud to see this through.
I'm extremely proud, and it's exciting to see the excitement that Bob Schena and the CEOs of the company have found in Eastern Kentucky. They love it here, and we love it that they love it.
As Congressman knows, me and I joked, been a while back, he had a saying when Rajant first came. If you remember, Congressman, we were down at the conference center, and he said he wants to turn Eastern Kentucky into Silicon Holler. Yeah. And with places like BitSource and those places in Pikeville and other ones in Rajant, I think you're kind of seeing that sprinkle around to see that come to fruition.
It's absolutely amazing. I don't know anywhere else in the country where college students are enrolled in a space science curriculum and building and running satellites. So I think we qualify for Silicon Holler.
And as you've heard the story from our CEO, Bob Schena, and as well as Congressman Rogers, they mentioned a gentleman by the name of Brent Traver. And he is with SCED, Southeast Kentucky Economic Development. And we want to ask Brent, how did this all happen to bring a Philadelphia area company to Eastern Kentucky?
Well, it's a heck of a story, right? So Bob had met with Congressman Rogers in D.C. and showed an interest in the region. And I got a call from them saying, you need to call this guy Bob Schena in Philadelphia. And we got on the phone, had a great conversation, and said, if you want to come and look at Eastern Kentucky, you're going to have to spend a couple of days with me. And this was actually the first community we stopped in that day after I picked him up at the airport in Lexington. We spent more time, got behind schedule, as we spent time in Morehead and the Space Science Center and MSU. And I think Bob really liked the place, obviously, or wouldn't have chosen here.
Well, as the mayor at the time that you came and had to have a small part in you coming and later to working for you, I'm really, really proud that you came here, all the work you've done, and we're so grateful to the congressman and Brett and everyone else to make Rajant feel welcome. And we know that you are now a valuable and will continue to grow to be a valuable part of this community and region and state.
Thank you, Jim Tom. Happy to be here.